Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be going over how you can add more friends on Township, so let's get right into it. Township is a mobile game developed by Playrix, and it is very similar and reminiscent to games such as Farmville. Specifically, I think it is most similar to Farmville 2, and possibly even Farmville 3. I haven't played Farmville 3, however, I do think it is most similar to Farmville 2. It is basically a settlement builder where you build your own township and expand it through playing the game and collecting resources. Now, you can also play with friends, and I'm going to teach you how to add more friends through the use of this article. I am using the support article for this since my recording software for my phone is a bit glitchy at the moment, so you will excuse me for not showing you directly in the game. However, this article will serve the purpose just fine, so just follow my steps and you will be secure. Now, to add more friends, you want to log into your account and enter the game. Once you do, select the friends icon at the bottom left of the screen. Once you're here, choose the invite friends option, and this tab lets you do two following things. You can get your own unique invitation code, which you can send to your friends, which they can use and add you as their friend through the game themselves. You can also choose the enter option to enter a invitation code, which somebody else has sent you, and this way you can add more friends to your game. You can also add random friends by going to the Friends tab and clicking on Find Friends. Once you're here, choose the Invite button to send an invitation to a random player, and if they accept, they will be your friend. You can also add Township players on Facebook if you are connected to your Facebook account, and once you're here, if you add them as a friend, you will be able to see them as your in-game friends. And that is pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.